Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download Google Keep on your Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on Play Store. Now if you have your iPhone, you can just tap to your App Store. And after that you can see I'm here in my Google Play Store. Over here on the top, tap on the search bar and search for Google Keep. After that, you'll find here is Google Keep Notes and Lists from Google LLC. Just tap on this and over here you can find here is Install. Just tap on this Install and now we can see the download of this app is started on my phone. The speed of download depends on your internet speed as well as your device performance. As soon as it is downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your phone. You can see it's installing on my phone. And that's it. You can see I have successfully installed Google Keep on my phone. To use this, just tap on Open and you can use your Google Keep. So in this way, we can download Google Keep on our Android phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.